Mike, the disgruntled mechanic here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to work on replacing the bumper reinforcement on our 2000 Honda Civic. As you see, it's all rotted out here, and we need to replace this to pass inspection. We got some other body work we got to do, which I hate, but in this case I got to do it. So basically, to take this bumper off, and I'm just going to show you one side because we have the camera hooked up, and of course, you know, the passenger side is the same as the driver's side. So what you have to do to get to this is take this bumper fascia off, or whatever you want to call it, and I'll show you what hooks that on here by the wheel. But we got to take that off first. I'll show you the stuff up top. Yeah, it looks like somebody's already in here, or, you know, those never went back in. But anyhow, so to replace this, we got to do that. And there's just two fasteners, I think, here at the wheel well. I'll show you those, like I said, and then I'll show you up top what we got to do to take off to do this before we can even attack taking these two bolts off and pulling this whole thing out. So I'm hoping this will slide out relatively easy, but, you know, we'll see. Not 100% sure you can actually see it in this shot, but believe me, up in there, there's just one of those little screws, probably like an 8mm, and there is a Phillips screw here, and I think that'll pull this away from both sides. So we got to take those off, and then we have to do the stuff up top, which I will show you next. So up top here for this clip, you got a couple of those push pins here. There's one here, there's one here. Somebody else has been in here before because there's a couple missing. We'll put them back in. A couple, hell, there's three of them missing out of that. But anyhow, so we're going to pop those off, and like I said, those two fasteners on each side, and I think this clip will come right off. Then we can work on the fun of getting those bolts out and trying to get that frickin' bumper reinforcement out. So on each side, there is the two bolt heads that are on top here. I pulled out the liner on the trunk. This is one side. So we got to get those. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to PB blast those nuts underneath there that are up in that reinforcement, and then we're going to bring this down, and I'll start taking this back clip off. I'll film some of it, but you know, it's pretty straightforward of what I'm going to do. I'll show a little bit of it maybe, but let's get started and see how this bugger comes off. I'm surprised they came out that easy. I'm assuming we're going to have a battle somewhere else, but we'll take this clip off now and go from there. Well, that was pretty uneventful and unexciting, but that's okay with me because I really thought that that would be a lot tougher to get out. I have a new one on order. I don't know if I'll show putting that back in or not. I think I may just wrap the video up here because it's going to be exactly, you know, the opposite of what I just did to put it back in, a couple bolts and stuff. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! Bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten, how dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!